So these will be the new donors. So for us to categorize these, we need to do, we're gonna do the first gift because we want people within the last 12 months. So someone who's given their first gift, and we want to do, for category C, that is donors between $1 and $1.99. So we'll do gift amount. Okay, so their first gift will be between the amounts of $1 and $9.99. And the first gift type will be one of cash, pay cash, matching gift, pay cash, other. We're taking other in because we want the Canadian donors, and recurring gift, pay cash. And we want gift date, which would be the first gift date greater than or equal to, in the last query we did 3/1/12, so I'll just make this to mimic the last mailing that we did, and then these will just need to be updated every time. So the first gift date, and then we want, let me think. So we also want, we're going to go down to, where is it? Summary gift information for summary information summary for gift. This is where in the query options you can choose total number of gifts, total amount of gifts. So we want the total number of gifts. And a box should pop up. Okay. So we want the total number of gifts to be, Joan, this is if they have 2 or less gifts or just 1 gift?
Just one.
Okay, so.
We're trying to get the second.
So less than or equal to 1.
Yeah.
And under filter, we need to specify that these are dollar amount gifts. Otherwise, they will fall into, the free offers will fall into this pot as well. Or planned gifts will be considered that or whatnot. So we want to go to gift amount. Their gift amount is greater than or equal to $1. And, let's see, gift amount greater than or equal to $1, and we want to choose the correct categories. Gift type, one of cash, pay cash, matching gift, pay cash, and recurring gift, pay cash. Oh, and we want other. So the Canadians will be. Okay, and let's see, let me think for a second. Total amount of gifts equals $1. Okay, and it doesn't, we don't need to put a parameter for the date field in this because we want, this will be new donors of any point in time. So we just want $1. Okay, or we don't need to specify that.
I thought we wanted to do it like a certain month or something.
Yeah, that'll be pulled for this first gift amount. So.
So that 12-month range will.
Right, the 12-month
be in there.
range will apply right here. So first, so I think that's everything that we need in here. So first gift amount between $1 and $9.99, and the gift type needs to be cash, pay cash, matching gift, pay cash, other, recurring gift, pay cash, and the gift has to be made. And so this is all first gift, has to be made from 3/1/12 to present. And in addition to that, the total number of gifts is less than or equal to $1. So, and their gift amount has to be greater than $1. So, if, for example, someone has like 3 free offers, they won't qualify since they're 0 amount items. But this $1, but if they have multiple that are $1, then it'll kick them out. Does that make sense? Okay, so we don't want deceased, and we don't want invalid address because we don't mail to those. And inactive we can keep because it doesn't really matter either way, so that's fine. And I think that's all we need for this. I guess we could specify the solicit codes, but that'll get kicked out in the mailing anyway. If you want, do you want me to run this and see how many we have, just so you have an idea?
Let's do it.
So what you're trying to get to, John, is you're trying to identify those people that have only made one gift since they came online.
So there are 26.
Well, within the last 12 months.
Right, that's what I meant. That's
Right.
in the last 12 months.
Yeah.
Yes.
Within that gift amount.
Right.
Yeah.
So you have 26 of this range.
So Susan and Carmen, the whole goal is to solicit them in a different way. Rather than sending them appeal letters every month, we'll know to cultivate them in a certain way. Like they probably get like a welcome pack. Well, this is non-donor, new names, yeah. So instead of soliciting every single month, wasting our resources and so forth, we're just gonna focus on a few special months.
So what you'll need to do, let me think for a second.
Wouldn't you want to
Actually,
do it the other way and exclude them? I mean, what you're wanting to do is not mail to that group, right?
right, so what you'll need to do is, so that your queries don't get too complicated, is the months that you don't want to solicit these people, you have to do a subtraction query from this query, because right now there's 26 names in this. There's 26 names in this, and they're the C category, and the C category has 320 names. So of the 320 names, 26 fall into this subcategory. So when the mailing is run, this query will have to be subtracted from the other. So you'll have to take the first query, subtract this one, and then your resulting query will be the one that you use for the mailing list. Okay, but on the months where you solicit the new donors, the new donor category needs to be placed above
On top.
the C category, if that makes sense. So all of the new donor groups will need to be above the regular A, B, C, D, etc. Because these people will always qualify for the C category, since the C category is asking for single largest gift. So if you want to put them in and make sure that they're marked this way, those in the hierarchical thing that we went over yesterday, the new donors will have to be.
If somehow we're going to treat that group different.
Correct.
Otherwise, we could just make them part of the C group.
Correct. But if you want to track how many new donors
Made a gift.
made a gift, then you would need to do it that way.
Got it.
Okay. And I can show you how to do subtraction queries, so that when you run the mailing, that'll be an option. Okay, so this query is done. So we can go ahead and create a new query. So I'm going to save as, and we will call this one monthly appeal new donor package ND. And this is to use for ND package group. I hope that's what I said last time. Okay.
Casey, are you doing it for each and every single segment of the
Yes.
previous one?
Yes.
I thought we wanted a group like C to G, or something like that, or an H to O.
Do you want them all grouped into one group? I was gonna do NC, ND, NE, and F, and G, and H, and I, J, K, and L, unless you